In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import comments into Jira using a CSV file. If you're migrating historical discussions, bug notes, or older developer conversations into Jira, getting the comment formatting right is essential. When comment data is misaligned or disconnected from the correct issue, the import can become messy very quickly. The good news is that Jira includes a built-in external system import tool that makes this process much easier when your CSV is prepared correctly. First, let's prepare the CSV file. Open your spreadsheet editor or code editor and format the file carefully. You need to include an issue key or issue ID column so Jira knows which issue each comment belongs to. If you want to add multiple comments to the same issue, place them in separate columns on the same row, and label each of those columns as comment. To preserve history properly, each comment cell should follow Jira's expected structure. A timestamp, then a username, then the comment text, separated by semicolons. After that, save the file as a CSV so it's ready for import. Once your file is prepared, open your browser and sign in to your Jira site. After you reach the main dashboard, go to the top right corner and click the settings gear. This is where you'll access the administrative tools needed for the import. From the settings area, select System. When the system page opens, look to the left-hand sidebar and scroll until you find External System Import under the Import and Export section. Click that option to open the import tool. Now choose CSV as the import type. Upload the CSV file you just created, then continue to the next screen. Jira will ask where the data should go. Depending on your setup, you can use the project defined in the CSV or manually choose the target project from the list. Make sure the destination is correct before moving forward, since this determines where the imported comments will appear. Next comes the most important part, field mapping. Jira will show your CSV columns on one side and Jira fields on the other. Map the issue key column to Jira's issue key field. Then find each comment column and map every one of them to the Jira comment field. This tells Jira to treat those columns as comment entries attached to the matching issue. Before finalizing everything, it's a good idea to validate the import if that option is available. This helps catch formatting problems before any data is committed. When everything looks correct, start the import. After the process finishes, return to your project, open one of the updated issues, and confirm that the comments, authors, and timestamps appear correctly. That's it. You've successfully imported comment history into Jira without manually copying anything over. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.